Welcome to English learning channel, Muft English. Hello everyone. Today we are going to do English speaking practice through 40 plus daily routine vocabulary. Just follow this video so you will improve your English. Wake up. I wake up at 7 o'clock. Turn off the alarm. John, wake up and turn off the alarm. Get up. It's time to get up. Make the bed. I make the bed in my bedroom every day. Wash your face. I wash my face every day. Brush your teeth. Don't forget to brush your teeth. Brush your hair. My hair is messy. I need to brush it. Clip nails. I clipped my brother's nails. Put on makeup. You do not have time to put on makeup. Get dressed. I usually get dressed before I have breakfast. Have breakfast. I usually have breakfast at about 7 o'clock. Go to school. The boys go to school in the groups. Go to work. She doesn't go to work on Saturday. Exercise. Diet and exercise are equally important. Do household chores. Spend the day the way normal household chores. Drive to work. Sometimes I drive to work and sometimes I walk.